The matches in be a tricky part.
Yeah.
Matches in be tricky. Like I was telling you, do EPL presentation because matchups in be your home one. Over last year, the other per what they a cast fee. But before na make games in the snow. This weekend, you're ready for no or more and mamma performance in Sweeney. We wouldn't want to be here back on Monday next week in a couple yard more. Now performances of these players and necessary can was no couple not yet discussing before. Yes, they are part of the discussion.
Yeah.
But those discussions would have to be on a positive note. And yet to say or share that one share that the biani to hone kasa or your referee upon match na your body how do you feel? The biani body how do you feel? Weekend we matches to be brave a tough notch.
Okay.
Top much. Now me start it couple. Na me pese me kanisa but my main kanisa. Kumasa Asante Kotoko has a weekend we menye sure so be a befa win.
Hey.
Do bet me afa win no ese so yire ne ho.
Kotoko SAMATEX. As of Ogun so
young apostles rather versus as of
yeah.
Sa game no. Say na you see the word tricky pa.
Yeah.
Sa na young apostles for motie.
Okay.
Last year before kickoff, we better say omona ebe lose game we even at home. Now mo performance na men ka say enso ani. Yes start season this year hu do mo dey Kotoko.
Yeah.
And last year na young apostles for eba obuase a Kotoko shop. They had the first goal until Kotoko last hour. Obabeti. Do share go to club referee for young apostles. Ne why mediema. Me guy na person me bundin no but beba. No wafa no call two kwan no buy no call wafa. Or call mediema say. He led Lomoti. Lomoti last year on the young apostles eba.
Okay.
And this season no young apostles team no masheshe no. From goalkeeping department, you can see the final third. There have been improvements. Obia no that's wo ho no no. Boy no ball last year na fi no di bi aka ho. Samuel Prempe last year on the goal ni di has fuku. It was one of the best goals sir. Yashano last season no.
Yeah.
It was an overhead kick and a ball no. As a lofted ball from the right wing. Now how about or turning a chidin a chichre goal poster on your connection to Rabo. A very similar go to Rooney the or Shedity at Manchester City no.
Okay.
When you full back to the scoring post.
Yeah.
This season, if somebody tells you say young apostles performance and so any a couple sinipani who what I saw BBN against Gold Stars or Dance Park. What I saw against Kotoko Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Maka 2 away games.
Yeah.
Has folk echo winchi. Me say has folk in my little opinion. They are not winning that game. So omofa 3 points are ebe me mama. Na just omo yirom ho pa.
Okay.
Na de maka no eye no na meka. Bibia ni hobi say meka da obi. Meka ma young apostle for three omo de. Eye ball no ma ball na mahunu no coach Henan.
Yeah.
On coach, they have one of the calmest coaches in the game.
Yeah.
Because a calm, so calm. 90 minutes in the bio bet me sorry. One story I be 3 times. Couple. I haven't seen his type. O man should be brave. I feel na all back. Or and that's what be say or to me the young apostles ye be beer. You be born in that. You're very coach Henan. No, no, so ash good. Me na no. Okay. And no con wine fat America cry. No, me who say young apostles ball be beer no. And normally, and they have 2 goalkeepers who be at me starting Massa Wood and a Frank Boateng. Baku a huge experience so he gave them.
Okay.
And a Baku up and coming, now up and coming, you know. We're a very good goalkeeper. Very, very, very focused. So has folk and prepare ye. Whatever it takes to deny and limit the number of chances our young apostles will be, you know, couple of months so. Kotoko game no mobile hakoto we need 2-1 no. Senka said ye a core na game no core ebia na ke be 4-4 or 5-4. Young apostles Kotoko nya chance but musu nya chance papa. And that game against Hasfo komo hoso mo wenchi no has him prepare ye pa.
Okay.
Last year omode ball 2 net Kim has a 2 trana na moteka no. And has a say come back or measure 2-1 no. It will be different this time. Nyambo amande be show game we hunti ha. Na Kotoko de no Christopher Endi no oni di bebre we bonum or ma men kan say onye winner
yeah
we bonum na mom teams back me ni bia ba be fa no ni suno se coaches no onya nji bibi ba ni ba be hia be ha no bia One those coaches, no.
Yeah.
One team pinpoint is waji FA Cup, waji, but only the share be of how
tricky.
Coach Christopher Ennin, Brekum Chelsea, or Mamma, you're solid. I don't know what trainer who I'm a far. Coach, I'm about Dubai. I'm a man for now. Couple, Okofa coach business. I'm about Dubai. Next fans, Eda so cause last year performance, you know, you team catch up. Why once I'm a mocha? Christopher Ennin, a Juma or Yedi Mamono, and Oja call South Africa.
Yeah.
Okodi di clubs in BHA and Chebiana coach as a Chris Abai. Now by Kotoko pen, Go Stars pen, Adriana pen. Adriana before number appointed a Choba Aristicano. No more per Christopher Ennin and of course Samatex no couple. Washishe team pa. Free center backs on your good way league or Bako oh. Two midfielders, Mezani, Solomon Ajay, one of the best midfielders in the game currently. Oh, you look at league. Samatex 4.
Oh no.
He has some of the top players on his squad.
4 to 5 assists.
Wow.
See, if I was wrong. So yeah, back Kotoko players as players. Solomon Ajay for Samatex. Kotoko will be or dangerous in that team of motion here. Said yeah, Samatex so who be Jawi, you know. Almost the first Solomon Ajay. This season we are talking about 4-5 assists.
Wow.
He is not a winger, na attacker, or a natural 8, but Mr. or 4 to 5 assists check.
Okay.
So Samatex Kotoko match, Papa. I wouldn't want to hide anything from House of Oak match because me say and I may catch a Kotoko for say omun fear or put some level of fear be on the attackers any team on Samatex so that I'm making you prepare ye. But I'm going to avoid the I'm telling you. That game is also a big game. I mean, who Kotoko so by winning game, no. I'm really kudos to them. My idea, but me, in my little opinion, Kotoko ain't me winning that game, no.
Okay.
When it has in this weekend, they are not winning.
Okay.
That is my little opinion, and the honesty of it. And I say, Samatex, baby, all that's a CN league, all Boafino, and a younger process. They are improved versions of themselves as compared to last year. And I feel my money more than the Kotoko. And I has for couple 2 games in America was some other games, you know. Minim said Brenning Tiracosa Metra, Wahan and Nation, and you will be, and I just say, or become Mema Bema who was into my main giant friends. Yeah, giant friends who no one can do. But
see, I know I send and command and so Esitiano. What I think, sir, a gamer, you say, a basso and then no, even come a fay contract was and 7 match. But here say and pay for a repamono. I'm bet me I have enough and so it's me area 2 years. And I tell you, yes, a baboa. Na ama ASANTE KOTOKO. It's me after to my payday. And so it's me for just Tim no win no. And ya fana ye tell supporters our stadium. Almost any ama sharanya emphasa. But ASANTE KOTOKO I win it has Courage United. Gold Stars. So some games like this, no, we support Akrana. As a team, a Kenya on a fee, Utimi ko celebrate a club better Sika. Now, a multimedia more than a fee. A modiama palace at the Enswet Matana. Because a player better. You made him come on Kwaba, Sika. Say player better. You made him come on Kwaba, Sika. And send on a so bad air come. You can sit and talk with the player. So when you offer me the amano, there's how fun when you're the amano. Or no, be a castle at the Gunasu. So very difficult. Tisamba come on in fact, only you know, Chimuna. You see, you might be no. As a moon. Timuno. Now, you might want to say, in fact, me say, you might throw fringe remover. See, playing time, baby. Huh? Playing time, baby. But I think say you heard the mind the Besiako. You heard the mind the Besiako. Well, you found to just say Ghana Premier League match day 11 and so I to now Mediama Sporting Club any Beckham United our Takwa TNA AS Sports Stadium 3:30 p.m. and aside game no and so to me out of them Sanso Anna Courage United amone Baseke Rolling Stars 3 p.m. and also a gamer and also a baswa and yansam kitwa. Sounds on a channel which is Sunday. You been Dreams FC Omonis Radio All Blacks, Always United, and Techima 11 Wonders, Samson of Vision FC, and Heart of Lions, Ediana Stars, and Brekum Charles War, big game, our Nana Fosu Diabo Park, Nations FC, and Gold Stars, another big game, our daughter Kwame Chase Sports Complex, Young Apostles, and House of Folk, and so again, my son of his son, SAMATEX, and Bobokua, Jefan is Asante Kotoko, and so at me there, and so at me area Pemson Chatters, games I would do, and so a bus I don't seminal at the Mama Live on this channel. Nothing more so much me at me I enjoy be now. Head coach at ASANTE KOTOKO, and in Sempi, and so at him area tuja. Na me pese coach and sema. Coach a friend said Abraham Zito area tuja ahead of game and I said China on the FC SAMATEX and so area Pemson of a ya buy any more. And I'm not a team let him ever could draw some gym. Yes, on my land day. Team Island our summer boy. Now in the latest exclusive. Remember coupon ma sheshima. Players on Koduni Yadeba. It's your fans Zito Kakra. Now fear by a fire can day. And so, the
same mentality of winning, because as I kept on saying always that before the beginning of the league, we ask ourselves, what do we need in the league? And we all give the positive answer of winning the league. So before you be declared a winner, you have to go through this process. So we are going there with the mentality of winning, and it's possible. Yes, I also saw it. What I've just authorized my physios and then my doctors that tomorrow we might go to swimming pool to do the recovery, because I see some a little bit fatigue. Really, we played all out in the first half, but in the second half it was here and there. And I saw some tiredness in some of the boys. So I think we are managing it small, to be able to wait for those who are set to come and join them. So I think this is what we have. And seriously, tomorrow there's swimming pool is one of the management issue on the how to make them back to fit. I think we are doing our best to use them wisely. In the first place, when you are a coach, you are going into a game, you first ask yourself, what do you need or what do you want inside that game? So your needs will determine your training and how you prepare to face the team. So Midema is a big club trying also to win the league. You see it. So we are going with the mentality of beating them. It's Kotoko. Remember, when you go back to the history, Kotoko usually or occasionally beat them over there. So I think we will continue the mentality that we are going to play with. We are not to coil until the game will teach me what to do.
All right, when any summer coach a friend say Abdulkarim Zito, and so it's me area to ja. You don't summon at the MM Live on this channel. Now, a bunch of friends say, Hilary, Lord, Adamo. And so it's me Dinko Mokakra. Now, Yenchin Sama Hilary, Lord, Adamo. And so it's me area to ahead of game and China, and so and also Airbus on this.
This is just like going back home, so I'm really excited to be going back there, and I'm sure my colleagues back there are also happy to see me back when I come. I think we just have to be mentally strong, because playing at the Century Arena is not easy. Yeah, because the fans are always behind the team, and the boys are always ready to deliver for the fans there. So we just have to be mentally strong. I think unity is one. We need to be united as one and keep on guiding each other. That's the most important thing we need to do right now. He's very confident in himself. That's the most important thing about him. and he's always helping us up front there. Yeah, so he's really doing a lot for us. He's been a target man for us this season. Yeah, so, you know, when teams are coming into play as their target solely on him, which gives other players the space to also operate. So, and that's a plus for us, because if their concentration is on him, other players get the space to do whatever they want on the field.
All right, right, and in summer, a branch of fans say Hilary, Lord, a double. And so it's me area to your church. I say, in fact, Timon Bopain, and on him no. Now, I know the idea of a cancer, Cosero, supporters, no. German so pampe, I support it, Timono. German so pampe, I support it, Timono. It's another echo back of ye. Nah, I think say recession the bear come. Hilary, a double, nice guy, mate. The best results are we any Asante Kotoko squad here. Coach Fene say Abdulkarim Zito and so a team a pale one must see Manoka say although drew a ASANTE Aziz Haruna Dari. Yes, Aziz Haruna Dari, Muhammad Kamara, Patrick Esiedu, Kwame Poku, Hilary Lord Adabo, Morphine Dozu, Hubejo, Baba Yaya, Joseph Abro, Lord Amua, Peter Amidu Aqua, Samuel Tinedu, Listowo, Zakaria Fuseni, Ilusa Adams, Alafa Bode Joseph Amua, Nafe Francis Aqua. Deme Peke and say Saka Dauda Tito, yes. Saka Dauda. Nafe Wanya, a bunch of friends say Ali Muhammad, Alafe Losimeni Jr. Say Amunian Airpata, your own seminal at the amount official way. Squad a coach of friends say Abdulkarim Zito. And so at Masale Tomene, Amako Draws in Jema Yenya reports na Yenso Yere Squad ready. And they am live on this channel bar. Don't forget to subscribe. Nafe on Friday. Also, what's me ashe.